Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Last week we had talked about importance of VLSI, AI and EVs to engineers as they have tremendous job opportunities and exponentially growing profile. To have that skill set so that we can appear for interviews, we had talked about workshops and sessions organized by Unacademy. A 15-day series of workshops and sessions, amongst which some are certified, is already going on. In continuation to that, Unacademy has launched the schedule of workshops for civil engineers. They have session for how to become successful site engineer. For EEC, they have sessions on Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is basically used to learn programming skills, build hardware projects, do home automation, and even use them in edge computing. Since its release in 2012, it has been updating with respect to RAM, ROM, and I/O ports because of its applications in day-to-day life. So to learn about Raspberry Pi in detail, EEC students can enroll themselves. For mechanical engineers, sessions will be on data science. As you already know, data science is the most required skill for industries as it covers algorithms, coding, data visualization, etc. So to learn this skill and to have hands-on experience, you can enroll into these workshops. When you would open the link of enrollment, all workshops along with their titles can be seen. So workshops which are completed, you can see them by clicking watch now. And upcoming workshops can be joined by enroll now option. At last but not least, I would suggest you to upgrade yourself with new tech skills so that you can land up with a decent job. So if you're liking my videos, you can consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching.